How to fix Apex Legends Badware detected error. The Badware detected error in Apex Legends typically arises due to conflicts with anti-cheat software, often triggered by certain third-party applications or corrupted game files. What you need to do is uninstall the conflicting software. Now, the error message doesn't tell you specifically which program you need to uninstall, but there are some common culprits such as daemon tools, AutoHotkey, DS4 Windows, ReWASD, Riot Vanguard, and Faceit Anti-Cheat. The way you would do that is by heading over to Windows, click Apps and Features, and from here, for example, I'm clicking on Riot Vanguard, and I'm clicking on Install. Thank you so much for watching this and there you go, your problem should be fixed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.